Hi everyone, welcome back to the Gary the Garden Novice. I'm at home today and I'm going to show you how I vacuum seal my vegetables that are grown on my allotment. Today I'm going to do my broad beans. This was the harvest I made a couple of days ago for the 52-week harvest challenge. So what you need is a vacuum sealing machine. I paid about £20 for this. You can get more expensive ones. This is ideal. I bought a roll of vacuum seal bags. Now I can cut this to the size of the bag I want. I'll show you how I do that. And then my broad beans, which I podded, blanched for 2 minutes, and I flow froze in the freezer overnight on a tray so they're easy to pack into a bag. So let's get crack on then. First of all, I've got my machine switched on. My bags, I need I'm only putting these into single portion sizes because there's only me who eats these in this house. So I'm going to cut a portion size bag for me. These rolls are much cheaper than buying individual sealed bags because the seal down both sides, and you cut the length and you seal this end, put your food in, then seal the other end. Much better. So, got our bag under the little guide there. Push that down, hear the click, and seal. That'll give me a base of my bag. It tells you when it's finished. That's it. So you see, got a nice seal across there. So the knack is to keep this dry on the where it's going to seal it. So put your food into there. In this case, it's broad beans. Decent helping because I like them. So it's like that, and then get the other end of your bag and put it back under the guide. Make sure it's right under and turn the heat sealer. Clamp it in and press vac and seal, and it'll take the air out of the bag, and then it'll seal it as well. So this is how I'll be preserving my harvests from the allotment. Put them in the freezer. And I've got home produced food most of the year then. That's it. And that's it. Sealed. So it makes you feel quite proud when you know you've planted a seed back in April, May time. Nurtured it, planted it in the ground, looked after it, then harvested it, then sealed it in a bag to eat. Fabulous. So that's how you seal food in a vacuum seal bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Bye for now.